Philippine law, revised penal code, will still be imposed regardless of rido siya or not. So if you kill someone from a particular family, our laws will still apply. So murder, homicide, whatever the case may be, that will have to be enforced. Okay? So if family A or X of family A kills Y of family B, that's murder. So and then if someone else, if Z from family B kills V from family A, the law will still have to be applied. So the PH law will be fully enforced regardless of Bangsamoro ba yan. So that's what's going on. So hindi nagko-contemplate dito yung mga settlement, di ba? And that's why until now, no, walang concept of blood money which is contemplated in our Sharia, not our Sharia law, Philippine Sharia law, but in the Sharia of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, di ba? May mga concept of blood money. Pero that is not included in our PH law.